Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to download TikTok in iPhone, so let's start. So first we have to go to App Store, and well, in my case, in my country it's available, so I don't have a problem. But if you have a problem here, let's go to our App Store profile and then just go to change your country and region. So you have to click on your name and let's go to account setting. Then let's scroll down and let's go to country and region here. And as you can see, I have this country is my country, but you have to change your country region here, and you can select a country in which TikTok is available. For example, my country is available, so you can select that one. But if you select another, you have to be sure that it's available in that country. So when you do it, just click there and you will change your control region as well as your made payment, and then you can start download TikTok without any problem. Then just click on done. Let's go to search and then you will find TikTok app easily. So guys, I hope this information works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.